Dear students, today we shall discuss about the plot of the lesson The Enemy from Snapshots. In this lesson, there are the characters Dr. Sadao, he is the protagonist of the lesson, hero of the lesson. Hannah, his wife of Dr. Sadao. Next character is Tom, he is one of the American prisoner. And General Takima, in one of the Japanese war hero, and Yumi, a servant. These are the main characters of the lesson, The Enemy. Now let us see the story. In this lesson, protagonist Dr. Sadao goes to America according to the desire of his father to study surgery, to become a doctor of surgery. Here he met one of the girl named Hannah at the house of a professor. But he did not fall in love with her without making it sure that she was not American, she was Japanese. When it was sure that she was Japanese, then both of them married according to the Japanese ceremony. Then he returned after the completion of his doctorate, after becoming a surgeon. He became a very good and successful surgeon. Then he settled to his home. His father passed away. Out of his house, as his house was near the coast, near the ocean, sea, he saw something crawling. He called his wife, Hannah also, both of them noticed. They came close to him. They found that the thing that was crawling was a man, young man of 17 years, and he was an American, and he was injured at the back lower side, at the right side. Then they brought him home. They treated him, they served him, they cared him, and Dr. Sadao found that there is a need of surgery, and if there will be no surgery, he would die. But they were fearful because he was one of the enemy, and if they saved the enemy, they could be caught and they could be hanged also. But they were in fix. They did not decide what to do and not to do. They had two options: to kill the enemy or to hand over the enemy to the General Takima, or not to hand over him. He could serve him, he could treat him. Being a doctor, being a surgeon, he could save his life. So he was indecisive what to do and not to do. But his wife Hannah was side to side with him. He was not opposing, and they decided to treat him and save his life. They took risk. Meanwhile, General Takima was also sick, and he required the help of Dr. Sadao. Only Dr. Sadao could save him. So General Takima also could not go against Dr. Sadao. So it came in the notice of General Takima that they had one of the prisoner, but Dr. Takima required the help of Sadao, so he did not oppose. So he wanted that the enemy could be killed, but Dr. Sadao, being a doctor, did not want to kill him. He, being a doctor, gave importance to his duty. So both of them sheltered the white man. So both of them served him. They finally, when he was fit and fine, they arranged one of the boat. They arranged some food and cloth inside it and decided to release him. Finally they released with the instruction, if there were any requirement more, he could flash 2 times in the night. But they did not see any flashlight. It means he did not require anything, and he escaped from Japan safely. I think the plot is clear to you. Thank you.